Electricity is a form of energy produced by the movement of electrons. Electrons are inside atoms. Electrons orbit the nucleus of an atom in the same way that planets in the solar system orbit the sun. Electricity is of two types: current and static. Electric current is produced when electrons jump from one atom to another at the same time and start moving in the same direction. This flow of electricity is known as current electricity. Scientists have worked out a way to send the current along wires over long distances. This is how electricity is carried to our homes, schools, and offices, etc. Static electricity is produced when two different materials rub together. Friction causes the electrons to jump from one object to the other. When people come into contact with static electricity, it can cause their hair to stand on end. Wow! That's fast! Electricity travels at the speed of light, which is 299,792 meters per second. Humans only worked out how to make and use electricity about 150 years ago. Today we use electricity in the home, in schools, in offices, in factories, and in shopping malls. There are also some cars which run on electricity only. Without electricity, we would be in the dark. Electricity is precious. We must save electricity by not leaving any electrical appliances on when we are not using them. Magnets are objects that produce an area of magnetic force called a magnetic field. Magnetism is a force which involves objects attracting or repelling one another. A magnetic field is an invisible area around a magnet. This area also has magnetic power. Magnetic objects that come within this field may be attracted to the magnet even without making contact. Magnetic fields are very strong around the poles. They are weakest towards the middle of the magnet. Electromagnets are magnets that work through a combination of electricity and magnetism. This force is known as electromagnetism. Electromagnetism involves an electric current passing through materials with magnetic properties. When the current is turned on, the magnet works. When the current is turned off, the magnet stops working. Magnets always have magnetic force and a magnetic field. By passing electricity through them, their force becomes stronger and their field becomes larger. The main benefit of electromagnets is that the power is only generated when it is needed. Most of the electrical appliances in our homes use electromagnetism.